first of all, for my hair, I'm gonna put this Moroccan oil leave-in conditioner in because I just got out of the shower. My boyfriend's mom got me this. Love it so much. I have been using it nonstop actually. And then I'll probably just let it air dry unless it's taking too long, then I'll blow dry it on pool later. I have like 2 hours until work starts, so I have a little bit of time at least. Now that that's in, I'm just gonna wait for it to dry. So as always, I use my Clinique Dramatically Different moisturizing gel for my moisturizer. I don't know if I should put sunscreen on or not because I am working at 4 actually, and I don't think the UV is going to be very high, but I am a patio server. This Olay SPF 30. It actually blends in so well. I actually just went to Sephora today. I got a new blush, so I want to try that out. Here's my little Rare Beauty blush in the shade Joy, and I thought it was so pretty. I'm so excited. It's so cute. The packaging is so cute on this too. I'm scared because when I tried it out in the store, I put like a very small amount and it was like more than enough. Hopefully, I'm just gonna do 1 dot on each side. Bruh, come on. Hope that that's good. Oh, whoa, that is too much. I look like a clown. Okay, I'm gonna take that off. A little bit goes a long way. Definitely. So bad. You need an extremely microscopic amount. Oh my gosh, guys.
Hours later.
Well, I really hope this is not scary looking. You know what? It's okay. I'm probably gonna put highlight on too anyway, so hopefully it'll hide a little bit. Okay, I'm back and my hair is dry. I'm gonna use my Too Faced. I don't even know if they still sell this. It is definitely very old. I would not recommend using old things, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. The reason I got a new blush is because I had this one, but it kept breaking me out, and my highlighter was this one. I wanted to get a new one because this one's been getting old, but this one does the same thing as the blush, so. And I don't know, I always just put makeup on with my hands. Yeah, I love this highlight so much, but I haven't been able to find it. I don't think they make it anymore, honestly. Hopefully that looks good and makes the blush look more natural. And right now I have like 20 minutes left to get ready. So I love the way the Peach Frost highlight smells too. It smells so good. It smells like a peach kind of. It's probably so bad how long ago I got it, but it still smells good. Okay, but yeah, I'm a patio server tonight, and I'm working at 4, and apparently there was only a couple tables out there today, so they said I might have like a shorter shift tonight, because it's not really fully summer yet. It's still a little chilly. It'll be in the 50s, so not many people might sit outside, so it might be really slow. But I'm also excited if I get to like leave a little earlier. So, but I do need money, so like, and I'm also excited because one of my friends, okay, this is gonna look really bad right now, but I promise I'm gonna like clean it up with a Q-tip after this. Also I don't really know if I like this mascara, but it's the CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume. I don't know if I like it, but I do, but I don't. Yeah, I'm excited because one of my friends just started working with me too, and I haven't worked with him yet, so I'll see him there. So then I just cleaned it up. Put Aquaphor on my lips too, and then like maybe some lipstick or lip gloss or something. Okay, this is the finished makeup. I usually just keep it simple and stick to just like mascara, highlight, blush, and then lips. Stick to what I know, I guess. Yeah. And then for jewelry, I just keep my everyday jewelry on. And my ring, and then this bracelet. And my outfit. But I'm actually really excited because I'm excited to make money and talk to people, I guess. But yeah. Also, I'm going to a bonfire at my friend's house later tonight. And I'm excited that I'm a patio server, so I'll get done earlier. So then I can go there earlier and have fun with my friends. I just do my hair. I always just do a low pony unless I'm feeling fancy, but I'm not today, so that's what it looks like. Yeah. I'll update you guys on how it went later. Oh yeah, and these are the extremely dirty non-slip shoes that I wear. But I actually really like them, and they're really cute for being non-slip. They're from Amazon. I can link them down below. Hey guys, I'm driving back. It's actually 6 p.m. right now. I literally had no tables, so they let me go. I walked away with $0 and 0 cents. I made no money because I was the patio server for tonight. This is very rare too, because usually I make minimum $100. I had no tables, so no tips. I'm just glad that I have a shift tomorrow morning. I guess I was only there for 2 hours. Plenty of other opportunities to work this summer. And I forgot to get food, so now I have to waste money getting food or make my own food. I don't know. I'm just happy that I work tomorrow morning. I'll get some money at least. It's okay. Things happen. I only was there for 2 hours anyway, so at least I didn't like waste a whole night. But yeah, I had fun because I got to see my friends, got to talk. I was like, you know, just helping people out, I guess, for a little bit. Tomorrow I'll make some money, so it'll be okay. It's just so weird for a Friday night to walk away with literally $0. It's also Memorial Day weekend, so like it was pretty slow actually at the restaurant because people are just going up north. People just go up north for Memorial Day weekend. It's a Friday, so they're all just on their way to their like cabins up north right now. Not everyone, but like a lot of people, honestly. So it was slow already, and no one wanted to sit outside because it was like 50 degrees. So yeah, and I went to the store to buy blush today so that I could have makeup to serve. If you guys are thinking about being a server, or yeah, if you guys are thinking about being a server, just know that it's very unpredictable. You could be swamped one day and then literally have no tables the next. And it depends on like weather, circumstances. Memorial Day weekend is a big one, so thank you guys for watching me get ready for nothing. I hope you guys found this vlog a little bit interesting at least. Just remember that Jesus loves you. Have a good rest of your guys' day or night. Things will work out. That's all that matters. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I'll see you next time.